1.
Create a CAS item. If you don't know how,
Find that in the description.
CAS part. Key, copy, instance. Hashgen. Hexadecimal, copy decimal. Store it. Create an object to interact with. If you don't know how,
Find that in the description.
object definition. Store original tunings. Rename tuning. Store info.
2.
Create empty package. Hashgen. FNV64. Copy all but first two. Add. String. After the first two. Paste. Extract tuning. Paste object ID. Add. Data. Paste in new name. Copy name and instance. Sim data. Replace instance. Replace name.
3.
Extract tuning. Dream big. Action loot. Edit group to be 8 with zeros. Edit name. Copy buff type ID. Extract tuning. Rename group and tunings. Update its sim data too. Keep or remove things. Tuning editor. Buff. Appearance modifier. Add. Appearance modifier. Add. 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 Modifier. Set CAS part. Add CAS part. Customize if you wanna. Buff tuning. Under CAS part, add this string. Replace with your CAS part. Extract tuning. Hidden trait. Add. Trait tuning. Rename group and name. Update sim data. Persistable remove. Tuning editor. Trait. Buff. Add. Buff type. Your buff. In loot actions. Trait. Add. Trait. Add yours.
4.
Extract tuning. An interaction. Update group and name. Basic extras. Remove. Display name. Update. Test globals. Remove what you don't need. Allow user directed true. Edit the rest if you wanna. Tuning editor. Interaction. Basic content. One shot. Generic pickup. Outcome. Single. Add actions. Loot list. Add your action. Test globals. Plus. Trait. Add. Whitelist. Frame. Pick one. Interaction. Duplicate. Renumber. Rename tuning. Duplicate whitelist item. Paste your trait tuning. Tuning editor. On your takeoff interaction. Trait add. Num whitelist 2. Place this above whitelist traits. Tuning editor. On your put on interaction. Test globals. Trait. Blacklist traits. Add your trait. Object tuning. Add both interactions to super affordance. Action tuning. Duplicate. Renumber. Rename. On your take off interaction. Locate outcome. Paste this action trait over your action tuning. Tuning editor. On loot remove. Loot actions. Trait remove. Add. Trait. Specific. Add. Add yours. Copy strings to all. Phew, another one down. Can we take a break now? No?
For more Pixie tips, don't forget to subscribe.